Sum of terms in AP. So the basic idea is when we have an AP, right, and we want to find the sum of the terms. So we here we are looking at finite term. So to find the sum of finite term is what we are learning. So is there a way to find sum of infinite terms? Yeah, I mean there are different formulas to do all of that, but we are looking at finite terms wherein we know the start and we know the end of the terms. So what does it actually mean? Well, as the name tells, it's a sum of AP, that is all the terms inside it. So we're starting with 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 and 20. So that's the sum of this AP. And when we have something like this, here too is the sum of the APs itself. So here it is 5. Right? You just add all the terms. But what if we have 20 or 50 or 100 terms? It's not practical to do this, is it not? So let's move on to the formula method. The formula is like this. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 of A plus n minus 1 into D, where your n, A, and D stands for the same thing what we have learned till now. So this is not the only formula. There's one more formula. If I write 2A as A plus A, and the remaining thing is n plus n minus 1 into D. So here, if you observe carefully, this term is nothing but your an term. So the n by 2 into A plus an. That is, if you know the last term, you get to use this formula. Anyways, we'll be looking into different questions or examples, and you will understand a lot better. Now, about the representation. Sn, what does it stand for? It stands for sum of first n terms of the AP. So when I tell S10, it is sum of first 10 terms. S15 stands for sum of first 15 terms. Now, S1, what does it stand for? Sum of first one term. What does it actually mean? I mean, first one term. What does it mean? So is it, in this case, is it just 4? Because the sum of first one term means you're adding nothing to the first term, right? So yes, it is just the first term. So remember, S1 is same as A. This point is important in time. We'll discuss why. I mean, you'll see why. But remember, this S1 is nothing but your first term. Next is S3. Okay, here I have an example. I want to find the sum of first 3 terms. I know it's easy to do it, but let's use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into the common difference 4. This is a 4 table, right? So I just have done that. So I can cancel 2 and 2 with all the terms. See, there are 2 terms. I need to cancel 2 with both the terms, not just one term. Right? Then we have 3 times of 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 3 is a 24. And yes, right? 20 plus 4, 24. We have the right answer. Next is S1. 1 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into the common difference. So again, guys, what is that we are looking at? 1 minus 1 is 0. So this entire thing goes to 0. 2 into 4 is 8 by 2, which is, if not, you can just cancel 2 and 2. And 0 divided by 2 is 0 itself. So if you want to cancel, you can do it again. So we have 4 plus 0 into 1 is 4 itself. Right? And that is your first term. So what we told here makes sense. So this is the basic idea of your sum of terms in an AP.